morning sun rising gold. Two men came, but the story unfolds. One brought anything, one brought the first. One brought routine, one knew his word. Abel stepped with a heart so clean. First of the flock, yeah, the best he'd seen. Not just giving, he was honoring God. Every step felt holy ground. Stay low, same place, same God, but a different flow. See, God don't chase what looks alright. He sees deep in the heart inside. This ain't about the size of the gift, it's the love in the hands that you lift. I don't give cause I have to now, I give cause I love you here and